Montreal underground city. Let's go explore.
What do you have there?
Etch-a-Sketch.
Etch-a-Sketch. What are you drawing?
Random stuff.
Let us see.
We're getting this, and we're gonna do some little boxes here. It's an infinite cube that you just flip, flip, flip. Okay, let's do the unboxing. Let's unbox. There it is.
Wow, that literally is an infinite cube. How does it feel? Describe it. Is it a good one?
Yeah, cold.
It's what?
Cold.
It's cold?
Yeah.
How's the texture? Smooth? Hard?
A little bumpy, but smooth.
Smooth? Okay.
A little bumpy.
So what do you think? What do you rate it? Out of 10 stars?
8 out of 10.
8 out of 10?
Yeah.
That's a good one.
This is a Tangramino, and I'm gonna build a square. We're gonna get ice cream now. Let's go. It tastes yummy.
What flavor did you get?
Rainbow.
Rainbow? What colors are the rainbow?
Red and blue.
And what does that taste like? What flavors?
Strawberry and blueberry.
How many thumbs up? 1 thumbs up and 2 thumbs up. There you go. Very nice. All right, enjoy.
Big thumbs up.
When you want to move your model, you're going to use a ruler, right? Statistic will tell you how far they can go on the table. Let's say they move 5 inches. You want to move them 5 inches, you're going to go kill the rat ogre. Yes, so we can just move them just like this, all together, because they form a squad. Just like that. Now, they will try to charge. Take 2 dice, roll them together, and you need at least a 4. Oh no, it's just a 3. You're just short of the rat ogre. The rat ogre gonna try to counter charge you. And you got a 7, so he's able to charge you. And now we're gonna do his 4 attack on you. You need a 4 plus to hit you. Wait a minute. Oh, none of his attack actually hit you, but you will be able to strike back. Which they have 2. They have 2 attack each, so they have 10 dice. 10 dice, 2 for each. On 4 plus, you wound the rat ogre.
That's a lot of dice.
Oh, and he has 3 wounds, and you damage it 3 times. And you successfully kill the rat ogre.
Nice.
Hooray!
Yay! Look what I got, guys. Warhammer figurines. Let's build them.
Hey Quinn, what are you about to play?
Halo.
Halo, let's go! Halo Fireteam Raven. All right. Oh no, wow. Where'd the other guy go? Nice. Okay, that's how you throw grenades. on the right hand side. You can throw a grenade. Reload. There we go. Oh, wait. Those are ours. Stop. Have the humans on our side. Good. The box? What's in the box? Don't worry about the box. Throw some grenades, Quinn. Do you have grenades?
I don't know how to throw grenades.
They're the right triggers. I'm out. It's up to you, man. You got him, son. Watch out. Nice. All right, Quinn, what did you think? Come on.
Look, guys, we found the Tony.
What game is it?
Pong.
Giant version of Pong. One player, go.
Beat it. It's tough.
Come on, Quinn, you can do it. You got it. That's a good back and forth right there. You got to psych him out somehow.
Ow.
Go the opposite of wherever he is, or it is.
I got a point.
Good job. Good job. 5-3. Uh-oh, this is match point. Uh-oh, it's close. 6-4. Oh, man, good try. Quinn, what are you playing now?
Pacman.
Nice. Wow, which one are you?
A blue. I lost.
How come there's so many?
Oh,
Where are you now?
right here.
Oh, wow, this is like a 4-player version? Run. Now I see you.
I went through.
You were invincible for a minute. There you go. All right, good job. Get all that stuff. Now you're invincible again. Go get him. Oh no, watch out. You're not invincible anymore.
Strawberry. It was chasing me.
Did you just crash into someone? A few times? 3 times?
Let me go, you. Where'd I go?
All right, nice, good game.
Let's play some pinball.
All right, Star Wars Pinball, that's exciting. There you go, Quinn. Come on, Quinn, you gotta beat the Empire. It says you're in Jedi training. There's the ball, focus. Come on, son. Nice. Padawan. Oh, wow. Good.